Lisa with WTI. Today I want to share with you how this marble and wood cutting board has allowed me to serve my food with style. This marble and wood cutting board is so unique. I truly love the soft marble and the beautiful acacia wood. It gives it such a modern and elegant design. Also, the fact that it's multifunctional, it's a plus. You can either choose to use it as a cutting board, as a serving tray. I chose to use it as a cheese board, and you're gonna see that it doesn't need much because it's already cute on its own. I truly appreciated that they gave us a little cheese knife, which gives it that beautiful touch, and the 50 paddle picks made out of bamboo. This not only looks beautiful, it's multifunctional, but it's also very easy to wash, and I really like that there's no smells lingering around. I highly recommend it. This cutting board is a must if you want to elevate your food serving or you want your cheese board to look beautiful. And that is my point of view.